6 Cafe design hacks you need to know before opening a cafe. 1. Create designated areas for different purposes, such as a quiet reading corner, a communal table for socializing, or a cozy nook for intimate conversations. 2. Use reclaimed or recycled materials for furniture or decor to give the cafe a unique and eco-friendly touch. 3. Install a fireplace or a faux fireplace to add warmth and create a cozy focal point. 4. Incorporate a mix of different textures, such as wood, metal, and fabric, to add visual interest and create a layered design. 5. Consider incorporating a bar or counter seating area for customers who prefer a more interactive experience. 6. Install shelves or display cases to showcase merchandise, such as coffee beans, mugs, or locally made products, adding an element of retail to the cafe. Hope you like and share this video with your friends.